welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going to go over a prayer in Hebrew, and this prayer is said over grape juice and wine. So let's start. Okay. I have attached the transliteration for you. So in case you are new to my channel and you still don't read Hebrew, then this will help you. But it's only temporary. If you use it too often, you'll never learn how to read. Okay, so here we go. Baruch atah. This is an abbreviation for the word Adonai, Eloheinu, Melech ha-olam. Borei pri ha-gafen. All right, let's do that again. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech haolam, or should I say haolam, borei pri hagafen. Okay, I have a habit of pronouncing this as ch, when it's really ha, like in the word hope. If it's closed in, then you have that ch sound. Okay, so one more time. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech haolam. Now this one is ch. Borei pri ha-gafen. And what does it mean? It means blessed are you, Lord, O God, our God, King of the universe, who creates the fruit of the vine. Now, also, if you see the word blessed, it refers to this word here on the right. So the transliteration is from left to right, like in English when we write, and so is the translation from left to right. And of course, in Hebrew, we read from right to left. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss any future lessons. I will have a guest speaker from Chile, and we're going to speak about the difference between the Hebrew Bible and the New Testament Bible, the Gospels. So that would be next week. And until then, and in Hebrew we say, lehitraot. Bye.